The ACE4 error on your Spectrum cable box indicates a problem with guide data synchronization or network connectivity. This mismatch prevents proper channel loading or on-demand services. This affects models like the Spectrum receiver or older DVRs. The error is a mismatch or corruption in the cable box's settings. The quickest fix is a power cycle. Unplug your cable box for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resolves temporary glitches. Next, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Make sure the coax cable, HDMI, and power are properly connected. If the problem persists, reboot your modem and router. This resolves IP address conflicts or weak signals that can trigger the ACE4 error. Confirm your Spectrum cable box is registered. Use the remote to navigate to settings menus and perform a guide data reset. If the initial steps don't resolve the ACE4 error, Spectrum offers advanced diagnostic tools through their mobile app and website. These tools enable remote troubleshooting without needing a technician visit. Use the Spectrum app to initiate a guided reset, which remotely refreshes your cable box settings. This often fixes connectivity issues without manual intervention. For advanced users, access the cable box's diagnostic screen by pressing Menus, OK, 2 plus 5, 8 plus 0 on the remote. This provides detailed error information to guide further troubleshooting. As Spectrum transitions to cloud-based guide systems, ACE4 errors are expected to decrease significantly. However, with the rise of high-speed internet, network-related errors may evolve into more complex issues. Keep your equipment updated through regular firmware updates, which are often done automatically. Be aware of peak usage times when server overloads are more likely to cause errors. If ACE4 errors continue despite these steps, contact Spectrum support for further assistance.